Oh, don't go anywhere. You're going to want to watch the end of this video. So at the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how to get a brand new saw for free. It's not exactly brand new. I did put about a tank of gas through it, but if you remember back a while ago, I got that Vevor saw, and I'm at 5K, so thank you all for all of the support. I really do appreciate it. I'm there, and as promised, it's going to go down the road, so stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to tell you how to get it, if you want it. If you don't want it, well, I'm going to be other stuff too, so not just the chainsaw. Either way, let's finish this cut. Who would have thought a battery-powered saw was going to save my firewood season? Hey, how are you? I'm Tony. This is TC's Outdoors, and we're going to cut some firewood with a battery-powered chainsaw. That is an Ego 56-volt chainsaw. So real quick, I would like to say that this is not a sales pitch. I have no stake in the game. You buy what you like. I would like to be able to help you guys make an informed decision, or at least semi-informed, and you'll see some real-world results with this thing. So I bought it because of the reviews online are good. I already had an Ego leaf blower, so now I'll have a second battery, so that's kind of cool, proprietary battery system. And it's got an 18-inch bar, which uses the same chain as my Poland Wild thing, so I already had a half dozen chains laying around for the thing. And it was only 300 bucks. I don't plan on using this forever. Right now, actually yesterday, I met with the surgeon, and I got the okay to try starting a chainsaw, pulling it with my right hand, as long as I hold it down with my left. So that's pretty sweet news. We'll be trying that here shortly. And for the meantime, I'm gonna finish doing what I'm doing. So I already had half of this stuff cut up, and you guys saw in the beginning of the video, I cut, I don't know how many rounds that I've thrown up there so far this morning, but I can't imagine there's a ton of cuts left in this battery. Oh, chain brake is on the on-off switch. Nothing will happen when it's locked. Pull it back, ready to go. We're stuck. caught on them. There's a couple of nubbies on the other side here that you can't see, and it's catching the side of the chainsaw. What do you think? Pretty sweet, huh? All right, let's get this stacked up. All right, so I think my next log is going to be this one that fell off the forks, the very first one that I didn't cut. See if I can get it on the sawbucks. I know some of you guys are going to say, well, that looked painful. And the reason I'm using one arm is because that's what I got to do. And it was kind of tricky, but I made it happen. Yeah. Uh-oh, that's it. So that's it, the battery is dead. I cut a fair amount of rounds, to be honest with you. I've got a good pile here. All in all, pretty good jag of wood, whatever that means. That's what Mike Morgan calls it. Sounds cool. I got a shirt on, so figured I might as well use Mike Morgan terms. So good jag of wood there. I'll be good to go. That's another Mike Morgan coined phrase. So either way, I watch too much YouTube, and I like firewood. The drawbacks of the battery saw are obviously the battery life. You're not going to cut all day with the thing, but that's not what it's designed for. It's not like you're going to cut a forest down with it. But yeah, the oiler, I don't really love the oiler on the Ego, and the batteries overheat. So even if you cut straight through and you just really are hogging, you'll overheat the battery before you kill it. Same thing when I go to charge this, I'll have to let this battery sit for probably 2 hours before it cools down enough where it will take a charge. It's not made for this, but it has definitely helped me, I can tell you that, because without it, I'd be without firewood to produce, and that'd be a bummer with that bad boy back there sitting in my front yard just doing nothing. I'm thankful that the battery saw has been able to get me moving. But if you want to get yourself a new chainsaw, and it's not going to be the Ego, it's going to be the Vevor saw in this video right here. Go to this video, comment 5K Vevor, and in 4 weeks, which would be about December 10th or so, I'm going to post a video. I'm going to use a random comment picker, and the criteria is going to be that you have liked and subscribed, and you watched that video and commented 5K Vevor. Thank you for watching the video today. I really appreciate it. Thanks for helping me get to 5K. If you're part of that, if you haven't subscribed, please do. I would appreciate it. The Little Guy channel's really, we're not out here making millions. We're just out here for your enjoyment and trying to bring you guys stuff like this so that you can make a better informed decision when you go to buy whatever it is that you're looking for, or at least that's my goal. I want to show you cool stuff and help you make decisions if you like what I liked, and or maybe if I find a piece of crap, I'll tell you all about that too. But I think the Ego, I'm happy with that. Either way, have a good day. We'll talk to you on the next one. See ya.